So I've got my 12-inch weed trimmer here. I want to go ahead and show you all the features, and it does have quite a few. One thing to know is that it does not come with a battery, so you're going to have to provide your own, which would be a compatible or a Milwaukee 18 volt, which is a M18, which is what I have here. I have a compatible one, and it works great. It just plugs in right here. So we do have up here at the handle, we do have a safety switch. You can press that, well, nothing's going to happen unless you press this button. Either way, like that. You can push that in or off from the other side. Also, we've got the handle, which is adjustable by pressing these two. There's one button on each side. You can go ahead and adjust that depending on the angle that you need it at. Also, when I put this together, there's a couple of buttons right here. There's one here and here. You can actually pull these apart and store this if you want to, or when you're ready to use it, it just snaps together. Also, the head is adjustable too, because you can use this as an edger too. So when you press this button here, it allows you to turn the head like that. And we've got a couple more buttons right here. This allows you to adjust the angle on the weed trimmer head. Now this is 12 inches. We do have a wheel right here, so you can go ahead and adjust this to go ahead and edge along your grass line, to go ahead and get a nice clean cut. And this is where our spool is. It does come with a total of 6 spools. Now this also has an adjustable edge guard. You can leave it where it's at, or you can actually push it in. Now this actually has 3 tools in one. This allows you to trim, maybe around any type of trees and bushes and things like that. You can edge with this roller that's on the side, and you can even mow too. I hope you found this review helpful.